Hey guys, this is just gonna be a quick video of like this simple makeup look, like a daily makeup look. Um, it's not like a tutorial because I'm not gonna be explaining, but I will be showing what I'm using, and I'm gonna be writing the products down in the description. So hopefully you guys like it. Video actually cut off when I was almost done. So like I said, I'll still write what I used on the description and what I used it for, because at the end it just doesn't show. It was just like the eyelashes and my contour. But so hopefully you guys like this video. Please leave your comments down below, please subscribe, and let me know if you guys want me to do any detailed video or actual tutorial on anything that you guys saw that you guys liked about this video. Thank you.